Yo, hello dear viewers and future subscribers of this channel. Today in this video I will tell you why it is not worth buying Bitcoin, why it is overbought and why all this is a big scam. And also I will show couple altcoins what will soon be able to give a large number of P&L. More information you can see in my Telegram channel by the link in the comments. So, well, I greet everyone. Now we will start with Ethereum. I want to show you what cryptocurrency has been growing consistently like Ethereum, why it is overbought and why it is not worth to buy. For example, Ethereum still has potential for growth. He didn't update the all-time high, there is also a liquidity on where you can strive. As for Bitcoin, he took the last high and he has only to fix. Now there will be a trade range, the price should be fixed, but the price has no liquidity to go higher. For the price moving you need the liquidity from below which remained untouched. For example, with values or with. Once here people opened long positions and those who do have time to close them should be liquidated. Here should be liquidated by stop loss, and if you run the Fibonacci grid and mark the discount market, when the price most likely goes here with them, here liquidity will form a sidebar in which there will be trading sections where price will go from 1 to second. I suppose what the output will down, remove this liquidity up to 50,000. That is the 57 retest will be 100% in my opinion, and when the option to develop events, either on the news we will fly further up and settle somewhere here, or we will go further without removing liquidity and go up. Since we have a bull, we consider long positions. There is no rotation information here. We are not, if you want to find short positions, you need to look for rotation information. Also we can analyze by smart money. We have unclosed imbalance here and the price will be aimed to closing it. For the first goal, to remove liquidity and fall to 59,000. This I see in future on OKEX, not on Binance, and after that there is an option forming sideways and either test with zone, likely to remove liquidity and further impulse movement up. What is at this stage we do not buy Bitcoin. And we don't looking for short positions because price can impulsively go high on different news and we can predict it. So be careful with short positions. Go to Ethereum graphics, analyze, run the Fibonacci grid to the high, find our discount market. This is the value below 0.5. Here we have liquidity, which the price will try to remove. That is, the movement will be about this at maybe the sidearm formation here and the output. Either down to remove the remaining liquidity and fill the imbalance, or up to remove these highs, or remove this liquidity and up. But remove high off also retest some balance zones here and further some movement and remove all-time high. You can do such analysis. That's why I recommend to wait for better prices and when buy and wait for movement up. But in trading no one denies what there may be such an impulse fall down. But there is no zone, no prerequisites or any developing formations for such movement, so this is least likely scenario. Now we are still looking a rise in. Now let's move to altcoins graph, which I want to show you, which will most likely give us good P&L. Also, one of the reasons for the Bitcoin growth is the growth of S&P 500. After the NVIDIA reports, the price went up. not only after them. Recently S&P is growing and it correlates with Bitcoins. That is, if S&P grows, then Bitcoin will grow, as in the graph of the dollar index is falling, which leads to growth of Bitcoin, because money is being taken off and transferred to the cryptocurrency. The dollar index has the opposite correlation. Here is the first coin, it's GPT USDT on the OKEX, new token with the sticker AI. Now, with the latest reports on Nvidia, AI very promising coins and at the moment a very good price to buy it. To buy several coins and to wait for the output on prices, something like this. And wait for the exit, like this. The next coin is the TON. I think the TON coin sizzle will start very soon. First, we will be move forward the price of the main asset, and after that, the TON shitcoins will follow him. So, if we analyze the graph, we see what the level compression on, where was the level and the liquidity. Now there is an obvious correction, and we are waiting for an example of this scenario, either from this zone or from B zone. It will be something like this, and the price will follow the good growth. The next example is Banana Gun, pair of USDT. What can I say about this coin? It has a consolidation for a certain range for a long time, so soon there should be a release or breakout from one of these levels, because we have a bull run and the price will not last long in these ranges. So I recommend to buy somewhere at that price, but not for a very large deposit. And soon there will an obvious growth. So my last recommendation is Unibot token. Graphing is in long consolidation and it should be breaking soon. I recommend to buy now and wait for the price at the range to 160 or 180. I'll take somewhere here. So guys, thank you for watching. I showed you all possible setups. I explained why it's better not to buy Bitcoin now, but to buy altcoins, which I showed you there, will give more nicks, more growth, and Bitcoin is now in a certain state. This is the setup I gave you, such assumptions. So wait, analyze yourself, see you soon, and bye everyone.